Hi, I'm Sujata, Vice Principal of GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah. Today we had our session KFI sponsored by National Bank of Fujairah, and I must say it's a much needed session for our students of grade 11 on financial literacy. It's the need of the hour, and we are fully aware of how useful this information shared by Ms. Marlin is going to benefit our students and also staff. We thank Bank of Fujairah for helping us with this, and I'm sure there will be more such sessions which will benefit our students. Thank you.
I would sincerely like to thank the KFI Global program sponsored by the National Bank of Fujairah for enriching us with this interactive session on financial literacy, especially Ms. Marilyn, because she's helped us with understanding so many great important concepts which will help us manage our finances as the future manpower of this dynamic economy. It's given me a new perspective on a lot of things, and hopefully I can use it in real life. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Joshua. I am studying in grade 11. Thank you, National Bank of Fujairah, for giving us this wonderful program by KFI Global. I thank Ms. Madeline for teaching us about financial literacy. I believe this program has brought me one step closer to achieving financial literacy, and it has taught me many things about money that I didn't know about before. I think I will start saving up from now on. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manyata, and I'd like to thank the National Bank of Fujairah and KFI Global for presenting us this great opportunity. I'm extremely grateful to Ms. Marilyn for teaching us about financial literacy and how to manage our money all by ourselves. It was an extremely useful and informative program, and I'd like to recommend it to everyone my age so that they can also know about managing their own money. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hussain, and I would like to thank the National Bank of Fujairah and the KFI Global Group for presenting this wonderful presentation on the financial literacy. Before, I didn't really used to like about money management, but now this session has really given me an insight about the importance of money, and Miss Malrin has really given me an important way of thinking about money management and how to really control my budgets and all.
Hi, my name is Archit from grade 11. I want to thank the National Bank of Fujairah for sponsoring this program of financial literacy by KFI Global. As a teen, I had no knowledge about financial literacy, but thanks to Ms. Marilyn's guidance, I was introduced to a world of financial literacy that I had never learned about before. And due to this, I can now understand how to be more smart with my money decisions, how to make smart choices with my money. And I would recommend everyone to try out the program for better understanding of finances.
Hi, my name is Arjun and I study in grade 11. I also feel like this program has changed me as a person and has taught me a lot of things about financial management, and I feel like I could really use this in real life. I also would recommend it to a lot of people. It's very helpful, and go check it out. Thank you.